Hi, today I have the Arc Chill Stretch Fabric Cooling Comforter. Super excited about this. So the first thing I noticed on the box is that the surface material is 90% nylon and 10% spandex, and the filler is 100% polyester, as is the back. So let's open it and see what's inside. Cool touch technology to absorb heat to keep cool. So that's pretty sweet. So yeah, it keeps sweat off of it and vapor off of it. You can gently wash it up to 30 degrees Celsius. Do not iron it and do not tumble dry it. Also, don't bleach it or dry clean it, and you can hang it to keep its shape. Okay, so let's open it. It's really big, so it fits my bed perfectly. So the material is really soft and comfortable. So this will keep me cool, but also comfortable. But yeah, it has the tag on it right away so that you can return it if you need to or exchange it, and it tells you how to do that. And the material is stretchy as advertised, but yeah, I'm loving it.